can't wait till it's so festive. Yeah, yeah. I can't wait for. Good morning. We gotta hurry up. So y'all hear my alarm? I need to be moving. So we'll talk later on. Let's go ahead and jump to the montage because I have 15 more minutes left.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was running up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah,
Jump scare.
don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right.
What I'm wearing, afro, of course, Amazon collared shirt, black jeans, and my black Brooks because I've been needing comfy shoes, and plus they're gonna get dirty. Kuwait is literally the desert, so chicken and rice for lunch. Yeah, I didn't have time to cook, so I showed y'all my chicken and rice. I also have watermelon juice and I have apple juice, and that's all I'm taking. I have water at work already, so that's that. So I gotta go because it's I'm running late, to be honest.
Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, whiz.
Guys, look what I got. Got some packages from Amazon today, and I'm so excited because, as I told y'all, I don't know when these packages coming. Some stuff coming now, some stuff coming. Like, this stuff wasn't even supposed to be here yet, and it's here already. So let's start with the big box first. Like, we're just gonna get into it. Oh, by the way, sorry. If you're new here, my name is Quay. I do everything lifestyle, travel, showing y'all my life in Kuwait as an expat, and also music, of course. I sing, independent artist here. And yeah, like, we just do everything together. Y'all get it. Hit up the other vlogs. It's plenty out already. And go catch up. Today, we got some stuff. I've been ordering Christmas stuff because I want to decorate my apartment in the best way possible. For no further ado, just throw all that over there. I'll clean that up later. Oh, y'all, I probably should have got some scissors, huh? Because how am I going to do an unboxing without scissors to open these up? Okay, 1 second. Hold that thought. So let's take these small boxes out first, and let's move this big box out the way because they put all my stuff in one big box. So let's throw that out, and we still have a small box over there that I'm going to get to. So let's do this first. Me and box opening be hilarious. I be struggling. As many boxes I've opened up my lifetime, I've ordered so much crap, y'all, and I still be struggling to open up boxes. So if y'all see me open a box look a little odd, don't judge me. Okay. Oh, this is my tree. Okay, y'all, I ordered a little. Now, when I say Christmas tree, y'all see how small this box is. Bear with me, man. I'm not putting a big tail Christmas tree up, but I just wanted something to make it feel like home, you know? Granted, you can't really see how it all comes together. I may insert like a little image of the tree that I bought. I got off Amazon, of course, like I told y'all. It comes with the light ornaments and everything. And I don't think we're going to put this together this vlog. Maybe the next one, put it together and light it up and everything. I'm really excited to do that. I'm pretty sure y'all seen these on Amazon. But like, you know, like the wick cutter for candles and the lighter and all that stuff. I can't open it. I'm probably about to rip this. There we go. Whatever. I really need these to cut the wicks because I be having like the stuff all on my hands. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. What does this do? Like, is this where I don't know. I'm not quite sure, but the main thing I needed was that wick cutter, and I like this because I can put out the candle this way too. I think it's real cutesy. So y'all gonna see me using this in some of my vlogs. Maybe like a little cozy vlog I plan on doing. A little day in type vibe. Oh, these are my pillows. Okay, so I got some decorative pillows for my couches in here. So like these pillows that's right here, they're going to be switched out to Christmas pillows. So I'm excited to do that. But okay, y'all hear me out. These are the pillows, but the pillowcases aren't here yet. But hey, it's going to come together. Just trust the process, okay? So I'm put those to the side. Y'all don't really need to see no pillows. I don't know what's in this box. So let's see what's in this one. I'm excited. Oh, this is my bathroom stuff. Okay, so cat's out the bag. I'm decorating my bathroom too in festive things. So this is just like the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder, and things like that. So just like a little cute little set that I got on Amazon. So all these things, I'll link them all in my like a Christmas section in my Amazon storefront if y'all want to get any of these things. And y'all gonna see it all come together. I'm so excited. Like these are the few little things that I got. So this right here wasn't in my Amazon order, okay? This box right here is a late birthday gift. My friend gave it to me today, and I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it up on camera with you guys. Oh my gosh! When your friends pay attention, because I told this man, we were just having a general conversation. I was like, I always wanted a freaking Polaroid. Look at the Polaroid camera! Y'all, when I say the vacation picture is about to go crazy, and hold on, let me read a little bit. Hold on. Yo, they have an app. So this isn't like a normal, this is a 2025 Polaroid. Cause I thought that you only could take the pictures with the Polaroid and they come out instantly and you can't like, oh my gosh, I'm tripping. I gotta call him. I thought it was like you take the picture and that's that. You gotta just let it sit cause it's dark and then that's that. But this saying that you have an app that you connect it to and you can print out any pictures. It can be pictures that you took previously on your phone or anything. And you can look at it's like you can look at the picture that you took on the camera before you print it out. Oh my gosh. Don't get me wrong. I know we live in a digital world. It's 2025, right? But it's like, I really want some photo albums. Like, I just really want some photo albums. Like, it's nothing going back home in my parents' crib and going through a photo album, like my first birthday and just flipping through the pictures. Like, it's just something nostalgic about it that I just really love. So I was like, I travel so much. I've been in 20 something countries. Why don't I have like a photo album? Like, yeah, we got my Instagram that show you pictures and stuff. And that's not even all the places I've been to on my Instagram. So it's just like, if I could have like a photo album documenting each country, whether it's a couple pictures from each country, something, that would be so dope. And then even like just memories, like family events, me going home to visit, taking Polaroids to come, like just to remember that moment and that time. Oh, this is so exciting. This is a tripod and this is like the case for it. So that's dope. And then it comes with a memory card. This looks like a Bluetooth type of thing. I don't know what this is. And then it comes with 20 instant film sheets. Oh my gosh. I love a thoughtful gift. And then especially like if you don't expect something from somebody and then like they get you something that you really wanted. I've been saying, oh, let me get a Polaroid. Let me get a Polaroid. And I just never got one. I'm so excited. That is the whole unboxing haul. We got everything some of the parts of the stuff that I've ordered. So that's good. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna come together. I think I'm actually pretty tired, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I work 12-hour shifts. So me working 12-hour shifts, I'll be ready to go to bed. So I done showered and everything. As y'all can see, I put my hair up on just so y'all don't gotta see the bonnet, okay? I done showed y'all the bonnet a couple times. Trying to be a little cutesy for the Vlogmas, okay? That's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I think I'm about to call it a night. I will see y'all tomorrow in the next Vlogmas. I hope today this vlog gave you a little something. This feels so odd vlogging every single day. I'm so used to my weekly vlogs where it's like I have a jam-packed week, so it's like, it seems like it's well put together, but this is kind of like y'all seeing me like in shambles a little bit. Cause I'm like, what am I going to record today? I don't have all my stuff. All the ideas that I have is not organized. It's not planned, but baby, we go with the flow. Again, if y'all have any questions for me, as far as like living in Kuwait, like the vibes, what y'all want to know, like anything, like how it is on a normal day to day, I could tell you about that. Like literally, how do I feel about Christmas in Kuwait? Anything that you have a question about, I'm open to answer any questions that y'all may have for me. I can't wait to get all my decorations up. I just keep looking at my apartment like, oh, I can't wait till it's so festive. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. I love you, Quay Bays. See you next time. Well, see you tomorrow, honestly. Did y'all hear that song on my intro? By the way, make sure y'all go download that and play that. Play that for your kids, play that for your family. I can't wait for Christmas by Quay.